subscribe to SKB. Why haven't my guy subscribe and click on that bell thing there so that anytime SKB posts a video, you can see it.
Hey, hello Africa, hello Ghana. Our names are Afre. Hey, no, it be me be Afre. Yeah, be Afre. Charlie, Mata Kamo. Keep watching SK Beats Records, man. The best. Supporting musicians all over, man. Big ups, guys.
I was not really expecting this, but it just came unknowingly. I've already given up before, but my God in heaven just helped me out.
SK Beats on the mic, yeah.
Boy, me ciao.
Hello there, my name is Samson, but you can call me SKB2 Records. I just want to recommend the best spread, best sheets, and also curtains in case you want affordable ones and quality ones. Don't fail, but call Paul Jane Ventures on 0248 290798, or you can call 0551 53775. Call for the best quality and affordable.
Hello everybody, once again you are watching SDK to the BATZ. My name is Samson, but you can call me SKB Records, and this is what I do best, to bring you the behind the scenes and exclusive interviews of musicians at gospel events.